From Columbus, Ohio, this is the Get Business Credit YouTube channel with your host, Josh Van Horn. Subscribe now and hit the bell notification right now to stay up to date as soon as we release new business credit gems. Take it over, Josh.
Hey, what's up? It's Josh with the Get Business Credit YouTube channel. Today we're going to be going over expense management platform made for businesses that you need to travel, whether it be airlines or hotel bookings, and a lot more than just that. So before I get into that, please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. We have tons of new fintech companies that no one's even talked about that just recently launched that you don't want to miss out on. Hit the like button and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. So let's get right into it. It's called TripActions. TripActions is, as it says here, the #1 travel expense management solutions. Okay, you can see like this is the card. It's a Visa card. You can do like Lyft. It's not just for trips, but you can pretty much do like marketing, finance, charge anything really. They do start you off at, it tends to be a lower limit. I got approved, but it wasn't that high of a limit. I don't know exact factors, what they're looking at, but they do have you send them your bank account. They do not check your credit at all, and they do not look at business credit from what I can understand or tell. All right? And you get up to 3% cashback rewards as well. All right, so a little bit about TripActions. Save time, book travel in minutes, and automate the rest from there. Expenses, reports to approvals. You can issue cards to your employees. Simple as just one click, issue the cards. Okay, save money, advanced card controls combined with universal travel inventory. Ensure that opt-out policy spend never happens. Earn up to 3% cash back as added bonuses. You know, what's kind of cool about it is you can actually call them. They can help you with travel booking as well. And you get visibility and control with real-time visibility into every dollar spent, from travel expenses to software subscriptions and everything in between. You can literally turn all the insights in so you can see what's going on. All right. I know a lot of you guys probably have Divvy and some of the other expense management platforms, but this one is a little bit different. So it's not to say you can't have this one as well. This one's made especially if you're doing traveling. That's part of your business that you have to travel. But like I said, you don't have to use it just for travel. You can use it for, say, Lyft or Uber. If you're doing, say, a business meeting, you can charge pretty much anything with it. It is a like net 30 account, so it's like more like a charge card. Like I said, no credit checks at all was needed. And as far as I can tell, they don't check business credit either. So it says right here, higher limits, cards that can move as fast as you. Get started in minutes, unlock higher limits with no personal credit checks, and earn up to 3% cash back. Keep in mind, I've literally applied for like 5 different new expense management platforms that offer credit lines in the past week. So I'm not 100% sure which one this one requires as far as the documents. I do know they asked me for just my ID, and I think I had to send them a couple bank statements. All right. They don't give the highest credit limit, but maybe your situation will be different. Maybe it depends more on how long you've been in business, those type of factors. I will find out more as I start to use it. I just got the card, so I should have it here soon. Even though I got it, it has to be shipped to me. All right, so you can see under pricing here, the growth add up to 50 monthly active users for companies up to 100 employees. You sign up for free. It doesn't cost anything, all right? Travel booking and management, default travel policies, self-serve, changes and cancellations, exclusive flight and hotel deals. So you hear that? You get lower discounts and rates when you book, I think, through them. It's like I said, I'm still learning the system, testing it all out for you guys. I'll make another video in the next week or two, a little bit more about it. Okay, it says all-in-one platform, travel, corporate cards, expense management, everything in Travel Plus, virtual and physical cards. You can issue the virtual cards, set a set limit. You can use it as a burner card or expire at a certain time. up to 3% cash back, automated expense management, direct accounting integration. So it's going to integrate with like QuickBooks and Net Zero, any of those. And you can also do expense reimbursements upon approval. So you can like reimburse your employees if they had spent out of their own money. You can create your expense policies for your employees as well. So that's the free one, and then they do a professional one for companies over 100 employees. I would imagine a lot of you guys probably aren't going to be having over 100 employees. So schedule a call. That's pretty much it. One thing I wanted to show you is, let's get to see, look how cool the card is. I mean, not that that matters, but it's a cool looking card. And they have an app. You can see this. It's all built in. You can have it, on your phone. Upcoming trips, new booking. You can just book it all right there. Kind of like a Amex travel booking. It's all on the app. It's really cool. And you get the physical card. Just wait. I'll have more for you guys. I'm not 100% sure if they actually report to any business credit bureau, but you can self-report if they don't. You can self-report using services like eCredible, but I will make sure that I'll get you guys more information in the coming days, updated video. So that's all for this video. The link will be in the description to sign up, and then go from there. Anyways, comment if you've heard of this company before, if you have any experience with them. I'd really appreciate to hear feedback as well. And sign up. It's a pretty easy process. Only takes literally a couple minutes. I think 24 hours. I got the approval, and like I said. Anyways, please hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. Till next time, you guys take care. Bye-bye.